All clear to the left, all clear to the right, travel and lock selected. Okay, gates are open, we have 2 greens.
Roger, visual.
ASC still set 1 o'clock now, and my arm is still stowed.
Roger that, harness, locked and tight confirmed.
Locked and tight in the front. Approaching my descent point, just looking up to the side of the aircraft as one would normally do, checking for apparent fast warning in place. I am clear to descend, I've got markers to the side, markers ahead of the aircraft. Looking right and left as I do so. I'm just going to door the aircraft to the right, we can see how close we actually are to the trees, but I wouldn't want to be any closer than this. I'm now going to turn the aircraft back onto the original heading. We're going to re-adopt a hover. We have plenty of power in hand. When starting the aircraft climbing, we're clear, holds, starting the transition, continuing to climb whilst accelerating, bringing the aircraft into balance, and we are now above single engine.
Above single engine.